Hey everyone, welcome back to POV Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Subaru Ascent Limited. 2.4 liter 4-cylinder with 260 horsepower with the continuously variable transmission as you find in most Subarus. Not a digital gauge cluster. You just have old gauges with the little screen in the center. Here's the touch screen that you have in these Subarus. Subaru Starlink is what it's called. You have heated seats. You do not have ventilated seats from what it looks like. Gear shifter setup. This looks kind of cheap, to be honest. Parking brake right there. Leather feels soft. You have captain's chairs, which is nice. You have a panel sunroof. But these Ascents sell like crazy. This is a facelifted one. This has like the new front fascia. Rear taillights were changed a little bit as well. Right off the bat, that CVT has a little bit of lag to it that you expect in most CVTs. Man, I am not a fan of that. I personally do not like CVTs at all. Like, that lag is just unbearable to me. Like, look at this. It just stays. Like that droning noise you get under hard acceleration, and it's just like it's just laggy. I can't stand it. Like, look at this. Let's do it. Yeah, man, that is not it. I mean, the Ascent, it's a great family SUV. Obviously, you know, Subaru has some good safety, have great safety ratings, and pretty reliable for the most part. But man, if you enjoy driving, like if you like to have a car that's fun to drive, this is not the car that you want. Like, for example, like an MDX is a lot more enjoyable to drive than this. A Honda Pilot's a lot more enjoyable to drive than this. Those cars actually have pretty good, the 10-speed automatic transmission, much more enjoyable to drive. But if this is definitely for someone who doesn't care about cars at all, they just want a nice, comfortable, safe SUV for their family, this is a good car then. But other than the bad dynamics of the CVT, the suspension's not, I mean, I feel the car is smooth. It's a comfortable ride. Great, definitely a great soccer mom SUV right here. And it's pretty darn slow. I mean, it has a 4-cylinder and this big of a 3-row SUV. Let's go for a quick walk around in this car, of this car. You have a Harman Kardon sound system. Didn't realize that. It's finished in this strange looking green color. Definitely a niche color right there. New headlight design with the facelift. Taillights were changed a little bit too. You have this lobster claw looking design. Symmetrical all-wheel drive. One of the really nice all-wheel drive system offered by Subaru. You got roof racks. Here's the middle seat. You have sunshades. Nice cup holders in the doors. Heated rear seats. Nice touch. Third row doesn't look bad either. Some storage in the center. Sunshade. But anyways, thanks again for tuning in to another installment of POV Drives. Oh, you even have a heated steering wheel. Cool. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Tons of videos coming out, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.